Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to capture a lead from your lead funnel, that is Question Scout, and also verify those leads using the valid email address and the phone number using Sales.Rocks. For all those who don't know what is Sales.Rocks is, Sales.Rocks you can actually build your own sales and marketing data with the right company and contact data using Sales.Rocks. Basically you can verify all these contact details whether it is valid or not, and even the provider details. Sales.Rocks actually support in many countries, so you can verify all these details using Sales.Rocks. So let's go ahead and see how we can actually integrate Sales.Rocks inside KonnectzIT. So before you integrating Sales.Rocks, you creating Connect, so you have to authorize Sales.Rocks. Sales.Rocks is an OAuth based authorization. So you have to click on Sales.Rocks and click on add account, so it will redirect to the OAuth page. So I already did one, so my authorization will be completed. So you have to basically give access to KonnectzIT app inside Sales.Rocks. So now I will go ahead and create Connects. As you all know, Question Scout is an Webbook enabled app, so you don't need to authorize Question Scout. So you just need to copy the Webbook URL and paste inside Question Scout. So I'm going to do that. Create an Webbook. So my Webbook is created successfully. So before actually submitting the form, I will click on Capture Webbook Response. So this will enable KonnectzIT to capture the record from Question Scout. Now I will go ahead and fill my details in Question Scout. And I will submit the form. So this will send the data to KonnectzIT. So my form is submitted successfully, and all the records we will be find inside this tab. My phone number and also the email ID. So all records will be available inside KonnectzIT. So now I will go ahead and verify these records. So now I will use Sales.Rocks to do that. So I have to choose the account, and also these are all the two actions which is being provided by Sales.Rocks. So you can verify your email and also you can verify your phone number. So I'll go ahead and verify my email. So I'll just give the email record and click on test and review. Where Sales.Rocks actually takes this data and verify it with their large database and give us an input whether it is a valid email or not. So yes, data has been sent successfully to Sales.Rocks and we received all these details. So you can check all these details can be used for your further automation. So that is, it will give this all this output from Sales.Rocks, that is email, and also it will check for the domain, top level domain, and also the type and a disposal, and also the MX records. So you can see that the provider name is also be configured from Sales.Rocks. So we can use this and for our further thing. So as of now I'm not going to use anything. We can use one more Sales.Rocks to verify our phone number. So I'm just select as verify phone number. So I'm inputting the data phone number. So you, if it is not in this particular formatter, you can actually use our number formatter to format the phone record. So this is the format which Sales.Rocks actually accept with the country code. So now you can see that the data is being sent to Sales.Rocks and it will provide all these provider details. So you can see the input is the phone number and status is valid. So and also the message is success, so default is the number, and it also gives the country code and also the provider name. can see that provider name is also present inside the output data from Sales.Rocks. So we can use all these details to store it in our record. So I'm going to store this in, as of now, in Google Sheet. So I'll just select as create spreadsheet row, and I will select my sheet. So I'm going to give this phone number and also the email. So we also have the name, so I'm going to take that name. And I also said that like whether it is been verified, so we can see that the data status we are getting it from Sales.Rocks. So I'm going to give that as the status, and also the carrier name. So we can give all these details to Google Sheet. So this is my sheet basically. So I have all this status. So now I'm going to click on test and review. So this will send the data immediately to my Google Sheet. You can see that name and the phone number and also the email ID and whether it is valid or not. So and also the carrier name. So this we are getting it from Sales.Rocks. So now I will go ahead and publish my connect. So this is what we are doing. So now I will test my connect, live connect test. So by filling the form again. So now I already done with my create connect. So now I'm going to do the live test how my connect is gonna work. So I'm going to fill with other name and also the other phone number details and email ID. So I'll click on subscribe. So my form is successfully submitted inside questions code. So this is what the automation we built on, that is any request on KonnectzIT Webbook from questions code will trigger and verify email in Sales.Rocks, and also it verify the phone number on Sales.Rocks and create a spreadsheet row on Google Sheet. So this is what our connects looks like. This is what we are doing. So now I will go ahead and check for the record. Yes guys, so you can see that, so my name and also my phone number, also it gives the email ID and it verify it, so whether it is valid or not, and also the network provider name. So this is how you can verify all the valid details of your lead form, getting it from lead form, and verify the valid details from using Sales.Rocks. If you have any questions on this particular integration, so do let us know on this comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.